add organic matter or compost. A lot of times, especially if maybe you have clay soil or sandy soil, this is beneficial for that. If you just want to feed your soil in an organic way, that's a good thing to do. If you're not sure how much or what or whatever you're supposed to add, you can get a soil test, and you can get a soil test from Soil Savvy, and they have a complete breakdown of what's going on in your soil.
And they will tell you recommendations on how to fix this or fix that. They have multiple points of analyzation at soilsavvy.com, and you can get all kinds of NPK and calcium, magnesium, sulfate, zinc, all these different types of elements, the pH level, to allow you to know where you're at, because you can't just look at your garden and go, hey, that soil is this pH and I'm this low on nitrogen, I'm this high on potassium. Now, if you're growing, there are certain telltale signs that a plant will display that indicates there's something wrong. But yeah, if a plant is yellowing, there is a lack of nitrogen in the soil, but that doesn't tell you that you're 3% low or 10% low. So a soil test is a smart investment in order to know exactly what you need to do in order to correct the problem in which you're facing in your soil. Because if you're just guessing, you're guessing wrong and buying more of something or not buying enough of the other thing and actually damaging more of the soil and taking longer to fix it once you do get a soil test. So that's soilsavvy.com is where you can get that soil test at.
Yeah. Lots of good soil tips there.